Good day everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss how the equation of the circle has been derived. So mabalik ta sa definition sa ato ang circle. It says that a circle consists of all points on a plane that are equidistant to a fixed point called the center, and the distance, the constant distance from the center to any point of the circle is called the radius. So ato siyang illustrate. Isa daw ko, no? A circle consists of all points on a plane. Consists of all points on a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center, and the distance aniya to any point P, to any point of the circle is called the radius. Kung kuha na to, for example, kuha na to ang nakagamit na siya coordinate ang ato ang circle, si HK. Remember, ang HK is any arbitrary number, representation na siya. Then we can have P, that is x minus y. So, para makuha na to ang equation sa circle, kinahanglan natin idea about sa distance formula. The distance formula is just equivalent to the absolute value of PC. That is equal to the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Okay? So remember nga ato ang PC is just equivalent sa ato ang radius. Kaya ato ang PC, usama po na sila sa line segment gikan sa center padulong sa any point sa ato ang circle. So sa ato pa di ay PC, kung ato ning i-substitute diri kay mo man ang value sa PC, we can have the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r. Ato intention, kuha na to ang equation sa circle. So, to simplify this one, kuha na to ang ihang radical symbol. So, para makuha na, we will square both sides. If we will square this both sides, we can have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r. So, this one is the standard equation of the circle. Now, if h is equal to 0 and k is also equal to 0, the center of our circle is at the 0, 0, or kung imong tanawon, asa may siya dapita sa Cartesian coordinate nga, ang iyang coordinate is 0, 0. Center 0, 0 at origin. Unsay may tabo sa atong equation of the circle. So, kung ang atong h is equal to 0 and atong k is equal to 0, then we can have this one, x minus 0. Klaro kayo nga ang atong equation sa circle, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. This is the standard equation of the circle with the center at origin. So, dinhi ang ato ang center diri, the center of this circle, we have the center at h k. Diri, the center at the origin, so we can have 0, 0. So inana na pagkuha ang equation sa ato ang circle. So, base ani nga information, later on, magamit na to ang standard equation sa circle with the center at HK and the standard equation of the circle with the center at the origin. So, diri lang sa tataman para sa ato ang video karon para sa pagkuha sa ato ang equation sa ato ang circle. Thank you for watching.